Do you know what this is? It's a walking mustache. Oh, there we go. Walking mustache. Where are you going on your mustache journey? You are lost. Maybe. If you could only get up this concrete barrier. Oh, poor walking mustache. Wait. He's going to try. Maybe he can. He's going to do it. Go, walking mustache, go. Yes. Complete your journey. Go crawl under someone's nose and be their mustache. You are almost there. There he goes. Off to fulfill someone's manhood dream.